From the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, innovations in agriculture, communications, and transportation have transformed the world.
Millions of people across the world commute by mass transit. I see innovation in the future traveling in a direction not only good for pedestrian cyclists, but for our planet. They're working on electric vehicles in buses currently, which will help the planet regarding climate change.
Everybody has product ideas. However, only a small percentage of ideas ever get started.
Getting a new product to market is not difficult if you have the patience, the dedication, the work ethic to stick with it. When you introduce a new safety device, such as our product, the S1 Guard Danger Zone Deflector, to transit properties or to industry in general, it takes pure relationship. In other words, it takes time to build relationships for them to learn your product and believe in it. Taking a product to market such as the S1 Guard is safety related, and it had to be evaluated. It took over 7 years to not only engineer the product, but to take it to market due to it was a life-saving device.
Mark Barron, a true entrepreneur, founded Public Transportation Safety International, where he invented and brought to market the S1 Guard for city transit buses.
My name is Mark B. Barron. I'm a futurist. One of my companies is Public Transportation Safety International. We've been based in Los Angeles for over the past 23 years with this project. Our goal is to help minimize injuries and fatalities due to rollover accidents for mass transit buses. We have the S1 Guard Danger Zone Deflector, the S1 Guard Danger Zone Barrier, and the MDZ Shield for school buses. The S1 Guard is a danger zone deflector mounted in front of the dual wheels of transit buses that acts basically as a people catcher, deflecting a falling body out of the way from the rear dual wheels of transit buses.
In 2000, Montebello Bus Lines installed the S1 Guard and continues to specify the product on all new bus procurements for the purpose of providing added safety to its customers.
When I first started the project, I chose Montebello as a workbed, and they were very instrumental for taking on the task of helping public transportation safety with the S1 Guard over 2 to 3 years on R&D, supplying us with buses, manpower, lifts to help perfect and design the best safety product for mass transit, preventing catastrophic injuries and fatalities for cyclists and pedestrians. I'd like to thank the City of Montebello for making the S1 Guard a reality, not only for our company, but for public safety.
The S1 Guard is recommended by the Transportation Research Board as a strategy for mitigating bus collisions with pedestrians, and has been credited by public transit officials with significantly reducing, if not eliminating, injuries and fatalities involving the rear wheels of transit buses.
Our company, Public Transportation Safety, is currently working on new devices. The S1 Guard Danger Zone Barrier, along with the MDZ Shield. School buses have approximately a 2-foot gap between the rocker panel and the road, where children are run over by their school bus. We are vigorously working on solving the problem. Our product is a non-passive device, not like radar, not like a warning light, which is a passive guard. The MDZ Shield is a non-passive physical barrier.
The majority of injuries on a school bus are outside, not in. The state of Nevada will be considering adding MDZ shields to all of its new bus procurements due to student fatalities in the last several years.
With a patented energy absorption mounting receiver, the S1 Guard allows for barrier movement against impact, is customizable to fit any compatible frame, and is guaranteed for the life of the bus.
I'd like to show you the latest innovation for public safety called the Danger Zone Barrier System. It's designed to keep people from being trapped under the vehicle before they even reach their rear wheel. The innovation of low-floor buses has caused a danger zone from the front wheel to the rear wheel. That exists for both the passengers coming on and off the bus, as well as pedestrians. The barrier system is attached to the vehicle strategically with a barrier management system that allows the barrier to deflect under certain conditions, such as broken curbs or potholes.
In the past, different methods have been used to prevent rollover accidents. Video, radar, voice, and other alerts have been tried. They are all passive devices. Physical barriers, similar to a cow catcher, is a non-passive device. Example, a railroad arm, passive, you can break through it. A concrete barrier is non-passive, you cannot. All three of our products, the S1 Guard deflector, the S1 Guard barrier, and the NDZ shield for student buses are non-passive technology.
Safety is the #1 priority for me as a mayor. But one of the areas that I'm most concerned about is the safety of our children. Those children that have to ride a bus. We want something that safeguards our children when they're entering the bus. We want something that safeguards as they exit the bus. And I believe strongly working with this company, we will be able to have that. Our children are our most valuable asset. This product has already been introduced at the transit centers. Why not have it on our school buses? And I also am so excited about the opportunity to see manufacturing in my town. This is jobs that we ordinarily wouldn't see, and we want these jobs, quality jobs, where people are making things in America. So I'm really excited about this product.
The difference between the transit industry is federally funded and the MDZ shield for school buses is state funded. School buses are built at low bid. School bus OEMs want to sell their buses cheap. An MDZ shield, it's a physical barrier that mounts to the rear wheel of a school bus, cantilevers under the rocker panel, acting as a spoiler, danger zone deflector, pushing a child out of the arm's way of being rolled over by the dual wheels of a school bus. This is our new project that we've been working on and off for years with. I have been vigorously working on it for the past 4 years, and it's my passion and my goal to make it a reality.
For more information, visit www.s1guard.com.